Hi, in last video we have learned about the string data type and we have seen the different inbuilt methods supported by the string and different operators, functions, whatever supported to the string. And in this video we are going to see how we can write the different program based on the problem statement. And these are the 18 questions, or you can say 80 programs what we are going to be write in this particular video. And one more thing, before going to start, let me tell you, the way I'm going to solve this problem is little bit different. Why? Because I have seen most of the people are directly starting to solve the problems and they are trying to by heart the code. But that is a bad approach. As per my understanding, what I'm thinking, we have to always break down the problem statement in step by step, and we have to think about the solution in step by step manner. We should not go directly to write a program. First, we have to analyze the program steps, like what are the different step or action we need to take to solve the particular problem. So keep in mind, we have to solve this 18 problem, and we will see in a very deep each and every problem. And also, before going to solve any problem or write any program, first we will try to break down the problem statement. Then we will try to find the different possible ways to write a program for particular problem statement. And we will also write a general statement, or you can say algorithm. First we will try to write the algorithm, because if we are clear with the algorithm, then writing a program, it's not a big deal. So keep in mind what I'm trying to say. Never go to solve any problem directly. No. First try to write the algorithm, and algorithm is nothing but even you can write a general English statement to understand the flow or step or task or action, whatever you need to take before writing the program. And I'm not going to solve all these 18 problem in one single video. No, I will solve one by one this all problem. And so in the next video, we will start from our first program, which is write a program to print all the character present at odd position and at even position. So first we will try to write the algorithm. After that, we will write a program for particular problem statement. So I hope you will enjoy this journey, and this is not about the string only. One by one, we will cover all the topics and then we will solve the problems related to that topic. So if you are following my playlist, so you are already aware we have completed string. So because of that only, I'm going to solve this entire 18 problems. So see you in next video. Till that, please like and subscribe my channel, and bye.